guys, I'm Kedi. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be talking about how to naturally grow a long, healthy hair fast with two amazing ingredients: dried cloves, dried rosemary, and cloves. These two amazing ingredients is really effective. In fact, it's 100% effective. So if you are looking for a way to grow your hair or your child hair, and for men who's looking for a way to grow their beard as well, look no further. These two amazing ingredients will do the job for you, okay? Because it is 100% effective. I've used it, and currently I'm still using it, okay? So how to go about it: get a clean pot, get a clean pot, add 500 ml of water, half a liter of water, add into the clean pot. Add 2 tablespoons of dried rosemary and 2 tablespoons of cloves inside the pot as well. Stir it and cover it until the water, boil it until water changes color. Okay, so after the water changes color, let it cool down. Then get a sieve to sieve the water out. Pour the water inside the tightly covered glass jar, okay, to preserve it. Or you might keep it inside a fridge or in a cool place, okay? So you can get a spraying bottle as well to keep some inside it, so that for convenient use. How to use it: spray it on the affected area, massage it in, leave it overnight, don't wash it out. Then you can wash it the next day. After you wash it, apply your ear moisturizer. That is it. You continue using it daily until you have achieved your desired result, okay? This ingredient right there is very effective. You have no problem, and it has a nice smell, okay? Use it daily until you have achieved your desired results, okay? So if you find this how to get it, if you want to get the ingredient, go to a market where they are selling spices, have it there. Ask for dried rosemary and cloves, get it there, okay? It's very easy to get and very, very cheap, very cheap. So it's not even expensive, very cheap. All right, but I don't know how much they are selling in another country, but right here in Nigeria, the ingredient is very cheap, okay? So if you find this video helpful, please put a comment down below. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, you are very welcome. Please kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting on that red subscribe button, like, share, and turn on the post notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my upload, okay? So thanks for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.